Hi everybody, I'm back. I thought I'd come on and just do a quick tutorial on how to make this fun fold that came in the February paper pumpkin kit. So it is really easy, and I'm going to walk you through it. I'm not going to show you me cutting it and stuff, but you need a 12-inch by 4 1/4 inch sheet of paper. So when I started this was 12 inches, okay? And then what you need is a 1-inch circle punched out of scrap or something. I had one here and I probably put it somewhere, so I don't know what happened to it. Oh wait, I found it. So that's what this is, okay? So when you do this, you're gonna have it this way. You're gonna, on your big scoreboard, you're gonna score it at 2 inches and 7 1/2 inches. And then on this end, this is still at 12, remember. So then you're gonna take your ruler and at 11 3/8 approximately, yeah, roughly, you're going to draw a pencil line basically, okay? And then at that pencil line, you're going to overlap to the edge of the 12-inch paper your punch out circle. So you're going to have a pencil line coming like this, and then you're going to trace like that and go down like this, okay? And then you can use your cutter to cut down to where the circle line is and down again here, and then fussy cut this out. And you want this to sort of, but I mean, this is flat because that's where it butted up against the 12-inch, and that's fine. That's actually, theirs is flat too, see? And then what you need to do is fold it, and then what you're going to do is, what I did anyway, is I figured out about where that line is, and I again put a pencil mark like top and bottom where that is and that is, and then I put it back in my trimmer like this. I had a pencil mark. Actually, I went a little beyond the pencil mark because I can still see the pencil marks. There's where it ended, there and there, and I just went a little beyond on either side so that this would slip in easily. And that's it, guys. So 12-inch by 4 1/4 inch, score at 2 and 7 1/2, and then at 11 3/8 you're going to make your oops, this way, your pencil mark here. So you're going to end up cutting off between 11 3/8 and 12, except for the circle part. Okay, very easy fun fold card, and then you can decorate it however you want, just like the paper pumpkin instructions say. If you put anything on the front, make sure you don't glue it down here and here. Only glue it or put it up on dots over on this side so that this can open freely. This is a piece of, I think, smoky slate from the Stampin' Up! Has packs of each color family in the 12 by 12s. So I have a pack of that, and I that's what color I had left, so I picked that. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is, I don't want to fold it because I might use it for something else, but and it'll fit in an A2 size envelope. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Hugs, love, and peace.